And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways.
Today we are ice fishing for wakasagi, Japanese smelt on the frozen Barato River, located about 30 to 40 minutes from Sapporo Centre. And this is just an ice bridge. It's a popular winter activity running from late December to early March. Tours offer a 4 to 5 hour experience, typically including gear rental, heated tents, and tempura-style cooking of the day's catches. This was my favourite winter activity in Sapporo and my first time fishing. The landscape of the frozen river was stunning and the skies were blue. I recommend the Blue Tourism Hokkaido company, who offer transfers from Sapporo Centre and full guidance for first time fishers. The link is in the description. This is who we used and it was a great day. The tours run for 7,900 yen and include a trip to an incredible patisserie to stock up on sweet treats before fishing. They do have some winter gear available for anyone without adequate clothing. They set you up on a tent on the frozen surface of the Barato River, with pre-drilled fishing holes into the ice and chairs all around. They provide plastic bags to keep your belongings dry, but it's crucial to wear thick winter clothing as you'll be sat still for hours on the ice. The instructor first explains how to lock and unlock the rod and how to pull out the line. Fishing is better at the top of the water, around 1 metre, or right at the bottom with the line fully extended around 8 metres. You'll catch more fish in these areas.
Its top is about 1 meter. This. Bottom is about 1 meter half. Lose the stop and the lock. Keeping for straight.
Yeah.
Loose for not loose. Keeping for straight. The fish for reactions is.
You know a fish is hooked when you feel a slight pull on the rod. Then it's time to pull up and fully hook the fish and reel it in. You're provided with maggots to attach the hooks, and you're taught how to release a fish from the hook and place it into a bowl of water. We all practice using the equipment before he leaves us to it.
It's right.
Cycle. He tells us not to let the line sit against the ice so it doesn't freeze to the side of the hole.
The center is here.
Okay.
This half is ice trouble.
Oh, no.
Keep the line straight. We all practice using the equipment before he leaves us to it.
About 1 meter half. Okay. About 15 to 18 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. We've got to work together.
It's same.
Yeah! Ice fishing. The instructor sprinkles some specialised high-scented ground bait called maki.
Okay.
Very soon, we begin to get some bites. Oh god, that's good.
Oh, awesome!
Jenny pulls up the first smelt, grab the ball,
Oh, okay
unhook
then.
the fish, plop into the water.
Oh, this guy's panic. Everybody getting Jenny. Oh.
Do it fast. Reel it in. Adam's feeling confident. Is there anything there? Yay!
Oh, you got one! Yay!
Are you comfortable taking it off?
How do we do it?
You just pull it. You just
Pull it off.
to it to the side. So grab hold of him tight. Grab him tight, so he's still. And then with your other hand, unhook it, but follow the curve of the hook so you don't rip him. There you go. Now put him in your water. Get in the water. The little smelts, or wakasagi, are so cute. It's a small freshwater fish that's native to Japan, popular in winter cuisine and for ice fishing. They inhabit lakes, estuaries and rivers, and they have a 1-year lifespan. Anyone got any biters?
No.
Ha! been here an hour and a half and we've got 5 fishes. I don't know what that is ratio, how good that is. So far, the champion fisher. We decide to get stuck into drinks and snacks. My favourite fluffy Hokkaido style cheesecake, the delicious Otaru caramel beer and the Shiroi Koibito chocolate milk drink.
I'd say it's better than chocolate, yeah. No, it's not chocolate.
Do try to find these in Sapporo, they're all absolute delicacies. Jenny strikes again. Then the exciting bit, our little fishies have been deep fried whole as tempura. Super yummy. Smelty, river baked. They kind of taste a bit seawatery though, even though they're fresh. Awesome day, highly
And I'll
recommend.
get mighty tired of your traveling ways.
In this series, we visit Hokkaido, Nagano, Kamakura, Enoshima, and Tokyo. Subscribe to follow along. Thanks for watching.